evening. My name is Kara Brooks, and I'll be presenting to you the two ethical paradigms. And the ones that we will be examining today, for me, is critique and profession, which both contribute to the school decision making. The first thing that we would like to talk about is the corrupted morals under critique. Morals come from our lived experiences. As a principal, you do what you want to make. You do want to make the best out of decisions and the right decisions. However, you do not want the decisions to be made that it has such a negative impact on the student and the lesson learned. So the questions that we could be asked: would Bobby still learn his lesson if failure was not the outcome? Could an alternate assignment be given? Were we sure that the cheating policy was clearly enforced? Should there be a sense of advocacy to help Bobby so that he could have learned from his mistakes and possibly be a resource to help others? Corrupt experiences can sometimes equal corrupt morals, and it is always the principal's job to be an advocate for students while looking at the long term effect of the consequences. Power, privilege, and social class. In this case, the principal may look at what does the school lose if Bobby is punished or not allowed to participate in the baseball over the summer. Although the principal has the power to make the decision to fail him, as long as well as the support from his teacher, who also believes that he should fail, the social class and status can contribute of his uncle can contribute to the decision making and also make the decision making a little complicated because you might look at it the pose of what could I lose if I do punish Bobby for his cheating. Human rights. Human rights deals with a deep reflection and questioning of what is best for the student. Will my decision to fail Bobby have a long term effect on him or his willingness to be successful in baseball? As a principal, it isn't my job, it's my job to advocate for students and support them. Although he did make a mistake, Bobby is also human. And so sometimes our consequences for our actions are already developed from the lesson learned. So should the lesson learned for Bobby be just enough? Or should we go even further? Do we even have to punish Bobby as far as making him go to summer school and missing out on some of the things that he already has planned? Or could the lesson have already been learned? So, human rights, questioning what is best for the student. The other part that we would like to talk about is the profession. And in the profession, we have accountability for students. So as a principal, we are held accountable for the student's academic success. What type of student was Bobby? I mean, is this obviously is his first offense, but has he learned from making this mistake? Will he be punished for this one mistake? How detrimental will this be to his social success, his academic success, but also helping him increase his social success? Does this have a long term impact on him? We also talk about our obligation to the student, the school, and the stakeholders. Um, will our decision that's made have a negative impact on the stakeholders? Should we uphold the policy and be mindful? Am I still mindful of my obligations to the school stakeholders as a rule? And the school policy needs to be upheld and followed. And by the end of the day, the long term effect is what is best for the student's interest. My decision should always be best on is this best for what the students need or is this in the best interest of the student? Thank you.